Okay, question 12 is talking about football teams and how they calculate the points in this league based on how many wins, draws and losses that the teams have. So we've got an equation here. P equals 3W plus D. W is the number of wins and D is the number of draws. A team has 6 wins and 2 draws. How many points does the team have? So this is a bit of substitution where we know what W is. W is 6. And we know what draws is. D is 2. So we can substitute straight into here. We should know that 3W means 3 times W. So it's going to be 3 times 6 and then plus 2 on the end. 3 times 6 is 18. Add on the 2 would give me 20. So they end up with 20 points altogether. Part B for this one is still working with substitution, but it might be a little bit in reverse for this one. So after 33 games, a different team has 53 points. 11 games were draws. How many games has this team lost? So we know there was 33 games and they had 53 points altogether. So we know that P is 53. So our equation looks like this. 53 equals 3W, so my 3 wins, 3 times wins, sorry, and then plus the amount of draws. We know that there were 11 games that were draws, so we're going to have plus 11. So we've substituted everything we've known in. We've then got an equation that we could work with there. Even though we don't actually want to know how many games they won, we could still work out how many games they've won to then work backwards to find out how many they end up losing. So that means we need to solve this equation. Solving this equation, we want to get W by itself. I'm going to take away 11 from both sides, which is going to leave me with 42 equals 3W. And then because 3W means 3 times W, I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So then W is equal to 14. So they won 14 games. So they won 14 games, drew 11 games. So now we can work out how many they lost because they played 33 altogether. So I'd want to do 33, take away 14, take away 11, which ends up giving you 8. So they lost 8 games altogether.